Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. This is me Asya, and today I show you in this video and latest ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyle. With beautiful haircut. Eye-catching hair dye. And many much more stylish ideas. Latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women. For mature women you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of hair dye. Eye-catching ideas of hair dye in today's my collection. Blonde color. Burgundy color. Light brown, dark brown. Black color, grey color. Some ideas, funky colors. Trendy ideas of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky color. So beautiful ideas of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut. wedge haircut and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas step, undercut. The latest type of cut, choppy haircut, notching haircut, cropped haircut. So beautiful ideas of hairstyling. Fine hairstyle, two short wave and curls on hair, curly hairstyle. Messy hairstyle. Spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut. And so stylish ideas of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut. Eye-catching hair dye for girls, for women. You see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish. And you look too gorgeous, you look younger, you look very smart. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support or help, so I hope you do this. And share it on all over social media accounts. Once again, I request you, if you are not subscribed my channel, so please make sure you do subscribe my channel and like my video. So friend, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll dive back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.